Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about unbiased review for webtip.com? If yes, then watch this video. This will help you to decide either you should go with this website or not. So let's check out the detail. WebTip is UK based company which brings spooky stuff and other outdoor decorations especially for Halloween festival for worldwide online buyers. They have three departments on the website: home, bestseller, and Halloween. The website seems to have an easy navigational interface, and on its home page visitor can get a list of products including hot sale items. Besides, you can also fetch the collection into the Halloween department. But before making online shopping nowadays, you must know about the legitimacy of the website. It is HTTPS secure website registered on 24th August 2021. They have mentioned their physical address, email address, and contact detail. You can return the product within 45 days of purchase. For shipping, they need 1 to 4 weeks long waiting process and time. They have several shipping methods which are chargeable. However, zero cost shipping is available over the order of $79.99 plus. Replacement is not available. If you want to modify or cancel the product, you are supposed to contact the authority as soon as possible. For refund, they need 14 days. They are accepting different payment methods like Visa card, JCB, PayPal, Discover, MX. The positive point of the website are: the site mainly sells items of Halloween decoration. It offers global service. Zero charge on shipping facility can be obtained. Drawbacks of the website are: as per our investigation, the index rank is pretty horrible. Reviews are absent. No promotion is made on social media website. Replacement details, domain details, owner details are missing. Highly copied content is found on the site's information. The refund policy has been term for every buyer. Like, question may come in mind: is it authentic or a fake website? On our research, we found no reviews. It was newly created website with terrible index of 2%. It is not popular on social media. No owner's detail have been shared. 15% duplicate content and 16% common content found on the website. The physical address is legit. As far as customer reviews are concerned, we found no reviews, and it is a big red flag that portal hasn't taken the initiative to promote its business on online media like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook. No logos of these social website profile has been fetched on its homepage as well as on web blog. Having no social media website connection can affect the overall brand marketing. However, this site did not focus on that, which create a big crack, and this point cannot be denied while considering its authenticity. So in our final conclusion, we can say that the website is new, but it can't be the reason that we can neglect all the red alerts with no remarks, no social media links. So we suggest our viewer it's better not to buy anything from this store and stay safe. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.